Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a computer class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 9, MCQ plus question answer. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 9, MCQ plus question answer. Dear students, look at board. It is our 4th lecture on our annual term syllabus and SW number 3. I repeat, it is our 4th lecture on our annual term syllabus and SW number 3. Dear students, before going to our main session, I want to tell you some important things of our previous class so that you can remember what we learned in our previous class. The name of chapter 9 is Beginning of Logo. It is Beginning of Logo. Dear students, I have told you that what is the full form of logo. Today also I want to share with you so that you can understand properly. So logo. The full form of logo is language of graphic oriented. I am telling again, the full form of logo is language of graphic oriented. So next we will learn what is the definition of logo. Actually, logo offers a pictures of world and it teaches the students of command. At first it was developed at Massachusetts Institute of Technology in USA. Now we will learn what are the functions we do with the help of logo software. Okay, using the logo software we do 3 things. Number 1, we can draw pictures. Number 2, we can work out or solve sums. Number 3, we can text prints on the logo screens. So 3 activities we do. I am telling again. Number 1, we can draw figures. Number 2, we can work out or solve sums. Number 3, we can print out text on the logo screens. I hope that all of you have remembered the lecture of our previous class. Now we will go to our main session. It is MCQ and short questions or question answer. So look at board now. It is choose the correct answer. I have given here 4 MCQs. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If you have your computer book at hand, open your book at page number 101. I repeat, if you open your computer book at page number 101, you will get these 4 MCQs. Now give your attention. Number 1, which of these will move the turtle towards? Which of these will move the turtle towards the bottom of the screen by 20 steps? So look here, it is the turtle towards the bottom. 2 options. So 2 important things, keep it in mind. One is turtle towards the bottom, another one is turtle towards the top. So it is bottom, that means the lower part. So look at the option. Back 20, there is no space, it is wrong format. And back 20, here back, after back there is space 20. Then forward, no. Forward we know that forward it will not be forward because it is written here bottom. FD 20, no. These 2 options are not suitable, and number 1, A also not suitable because after back there is no space. So look at the option number B, that means after back there is space, number 20. So this is the correct answer. It will be option number B, back space 20. Question number 2, how many RT, that means right. RT means right 90 commands will have the same effect as a RT 360 commands. I repeat, how many RT, that means write 90 commands will have the same effect as a RT or write 360 commands. It is whenever you will go to your book, it is turning the turtle full circle, you will get this answer, but I am telling you so that you can understand it properly. Look at the calculation of it is 4 0 0, then 9 4 36. So correct answer is 4. So look, it is how many RT90 commands will have the same effect as the RT360 commands. So correct answer is 4. The other option 1 no, 2 no, 3 no, 4 number is D number is 4. So this is the correct answer. Number 3, in which case will the turtle turn anti-clockwise by a quarter turn? So look, it is in which case will the turtle turn anti-clockwise by a quarter turn. It is in our book we have learned that whenever it will be 360, it will be a full turn. Look at both. Whenever it will be 180, a quarter turn, or no, a half turn. Whenever it will be 90, it will be a quarter turn. So look, I have written here 360 means full turn, a full turn. Whenever it will be 180, it will be a half turn. Whenever it will be 90, it will be a quarter turn. So look at this, in which case will the turtle turn anti-clockwise by a quarter turn. So look at this, quarter means 90, we look this one. RT90, there is no space, so it is wrong. RT90, actually it will be wrong like this one. And LT90, there is no space because it will be wrong also. And D number it is LT90, this one is the correct answer because after ALT there is little space. So this is the correct answer. It is LT90. That means left command. LT means left command. Last MCQ. In which of this will the computer not give an error message? That means correct message. So look, it is not give an error message. That means we will give a correct message. So look, it is FORD 60 wrong because it will be forward 60. FD 60 because there is no space, it is also wrong. It is forward 60, there is no space here because whenever it will be FD 60, this will be the correct answer. After FD there is space, then 60. This is the correct answer. Now MCQ is done. We will go to our question sessions. Answer the following short questions. I have given only 2 short questions here. So look at the first one. How can we work on logo? How can we work on logo? I have already told you that logo is mainly a programming software. Logo is mainly a programming software. Okay, now we will learn how can we work on logo. Computer software called logo can help us to do this. So look, computer software called logo can help us to do this. To work on logo, we will need the logo software. So what do we need? At first we need logo software. Next, the logo software can be saved on our hard disks. I repeat again, the logo software can be saved on our hard disks. Okay. Next question, this is the second question. What are the 8 buttons? What are the 8 buttons on the computer on the commander window? So I am telling again, what are the 8 buttons on the commander window? So look at the 8 buttons. The commander window contains 8 buttons, namely execute button, status button. Next, I forgot to write here. Okay, give your attention. If you open your book page number 94, I repeat, if you open your book page number 94, you will get this answer. That means you will get the name of 8 buttons. Page number 94. Trace button, halt button, reset button, step button, pause button and idle button. Okay. Now I will tell you little descriptions of the buttons. So look at the first one, it is execute button. We all know that with the help of this execute button, we run our commands. That means with the help of our execute buttons, we run our commands. Okay. Next, it is pause button, you know this, and reset button. Okay. With the help of reset button, we can clear the commands. That means what will be written on the screen, it is reset button. Okay, look, these all buttons are known as the control buttons. These all buttons are known as the control buttons. Dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written SW. chapter 9 MCQ 1, 2, 3, 4. So look here, this is chapter 9, that means whole parts are taken from our chapter 9 MCQ 1 to 4. I have given MCQ from your book, page number 101, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your SW. Dear students, one important thing I want to tell you, that I am very happy to see that many of you have submitted your SW. But I am little bit dissatisfied also to see that some of you don't submit your SW. Dear students, it is very important to submit your SW, because on the submission of your SW, you will get your diary mark, SBA mark and city mark. So keep it in mind that it is a very important thing. So dear students, I hope that all of you have understood our today's discussion, today's MCQ and question number. Do your SW properly and see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.